is 11:15 p.m.
Oh, I missed 11. Remember? I always do that. Yeah, I'm probably like, oh, 11:11. Or not do the phone. I don't want to go. Talk to the camera. I'll be back.
So. Stop peeking a go pee! Today was kind of a depressing day for Stephanie, kind of me. And yeah. I'm bored, and Stephanie's going to pee, and
Yeah, my mom wanted me to bring my cat in here. Don't know why. By the way, this song sucks. And my poor kitty got neutered like 2 days ago. Thursday. Yesterday morning. So he's been out of it for a long time. Yeah. Anesthesia.
I hate this song.
Song is so lame. Is it still recording? Yeah. We're in my room, and did you say anything? What did you say before?
I don't remember.
That's okay.
I said something about your room.
Today's Friday. My room's very brown.
I did a dance to this song.
But this is my dance from yesterday. It was actually really cool. I need to finish it. You can go from here.
Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. Tell me when to go. Don't.
I mean, that's the ending, but I need more room, so I could go. And I would go like this, because I used to cheer and you use these and cheer like I used to. And she's like, are you going to try and shoot me? And I was like, no, sorry. She's like, if you shoot me one more time, I'm going to seriously take your thumbs off or like tape them down. I was like, I got it, sorry.
What are you supposed to do?
That. And I was like, oh, like number 1. And she was like, yeah, not a gun. Number 1, not a gun. So I got it, like, do it. It's cool, this part.
Necklace. Your boobs. Nipple. You look down.
I don't know why I didn't flex around video.
Tried your glasses on, they look kind of freaky on.
My other dance is weird. I don't even remember it now. Excuse me. Remember your fur ball to that picture?
Okay, what picture?
Coco. Oh, my baby. Look how much brown.
Where do you live?
Where do I live? Oh, man. I'm sorry, Boo-Boo. Oh, my God, this is weird. I'm sorry, Boo-Boo.
Where do you live?
By the Helmer's Paseo. Turn this way so you can...
Oh, yeah. On my back
Is Michael
so bad.
asking it?
Yeah.
Oh, be careful, my baby. I'm so sorry. You better not be peeing on my bed. I swear, I seriously... Hey, it's better than on my bed.
Here.
Oh, dang it. That's for English. I want to like TP his house. Wow, this is a really long video. Okay, we should say bye.